Do you want to know what this special treat is? Well, join me to learn about this amazing ginger ale float with pineapple sherbet from the 1930s. Come and join me in my kitchen to find out how to make this delectable treat. Cheers! Okay, let's get ready to make our pineapple sherbet for our ginger ale float. And this is coming from the Silent Hostess treasure book. It's from a GE refrigerator. We'll get more into that in the cookbook chat section. But we're gonna start out with almost a half cup of water. The other 2 tablespoons of it are here along with some gelatin. So that is what we're starting with. So we're going to be boiling the rest of the water, a cup of pineapple juice, and then a half cup of sugar for 3 minutes. So I'm going to get this on the stove here, and I will come back when it is boiled, and we will continue with our fresh pineapple sherbet recipe. Okay, so this mixture has boiled for 3 minutes, and so we're going to add our water and gelatin mixture. It's nice and gelled now, so we're just going to stir that in. And then our next step is to take this off the stove, and we're gonna strain it here through this mesh strainer in a bowl. And then we're gonna let that mixture cool before we add our final ingredients and get this sherbet in the freezer. So I will see you in a little bit when this is cooled down. So now our mixture has cooled for the sherbet, and we're gonna mix in some crushed pineapple. You can either use canned, a cup of it, or this is like super almost overripe pineapple that I rescued from the store and chopped up. So I'm gonna add that in, and some fresh mint. This looks so good, and a little bit of lemon juice. Now I forgot to bring a bigger spoon, so I'm gonna use this tiny spoon to mix this up. But this looks fabulous, and what we're going to do is, it says use a refrigerator tray, but those are no longer a thing around here, so we're gonna use a loaf pan and get all that in there. And we're gonna put that in the freezer. It says super freezer for 1 hour. So I'll see you in an hour for the next step. So we are back with our pineapple sherbet mixture, and you can see that it's partially frozen. You can see a chunk here. So it's been in the freezer for an hour. And the next step, it says to pour it into a bowl, and it said to use a rotary mixer like an egg beater, but mine is broken after using it a lot, my old-fashioned mixer, so I'm going to use this electric mixer a little bit, and I will come back when this is ready to go back in the freezer for the second round. All right, we are back, and this is nice and frothy and beaten. So we are going to put it back in our pan, and we're going to freeze this for another hour, and then we'll have one more step after that to get us closer to our pineapple sherbet. Take a look. Yum! I will see you there. So we are doing the final step in this recipe, and you can see after another hour, this is a lot slushier, a lot more frozen. So again, I'm going to scoop it into this bowl, and this bowl has, oops, I dropped a little bit, okay, that's all right. A couple of egg whites that are unbeaten, And we're supposed to mix this mixture one more time with the egg whites until they're nice and frothy. And so here we go with the electric mixer. I will come back when this is beaten up and ready for the final freezing. So now this is nice and frothy, and we're gonna pour it into this container for the last time. And it just says to freeze until you are ready to serve. So I'm guessing that's at least a couple hours. We're gonna be enjoying this for an after dinner treat. So this goes back in the freezer, and I will show you when it's ready and we make our ginger ale floats. Hey, we are here to try the pineapple sherbet float. Yes, the ginger ale float.
Looks good.
Thank you. I'm excited to see how it is. Yeah, good idea. Adam should sip it first and see. Oh, it sort of melds like a pineapple.
Oh man, that's great.
Oh wow, that's actually a good combo. I never thought of like ginger ale and pineapple.
This is delightful.
Thank you.
I'm approved.
Yum.
I think the only thing I would change about it, to be honest, is I would take the pineapple chunks out.
Yeah.
Or blend it smooth or something.
Yeah, this one called, it was supposed to be like crushed pineapple. And it is fresh pineapple, but yeah, you could blend it so you didn't have any chunks.
Yeah, I think I'm with you there, but still really good.
That's delicious.
Great winner. Well, enjoy this for a refreshing treat for sure.
Yeah, very refreshing as well.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Delicious.
Welcome to the book chat, and today we are talking about the Silent Hostess treasure book. It has a little GE symbol up here, and this book is from 1931. The recipe that we made today was pineapple sherbet, and it is in the frozen dessert section. You can see this is well loved and well used from all the stains there. And over here is our ginger ale float that we tried. And I just love these beautiful color drawings. They are just absolutely gorgeous. So that's the drinks section. There's also a pineapple raspberry aid, a grape lemonade, a lot of flavors you don't see too much anymore. You can even make a frosted coffee if you make your own coffee syrup with coffee syrup, ice cream, and milk. That sounds so yummy. And I wanted to show you a few more of the color illustrations. So this is our pineapple sherbet. Here's a photo of that just on its own. A meringue glacé, which is meringues with ice cream in the middle. I want to try that too. It's almost like a dessert hamburger. And yeah, this book is just so cute. It has an ice cream sandwich here, and a vanilla ice cream with butterscotch sauce. Oh, this is a maple parfait up here. So many yummy things. And this cookbook is because of this fridge that came out in 1931. It is called the multi-temperature. This is the multi-temperature feature of the General Electric refrigerator. So it's saying how you can save time by having a fridge. It was kind of a newer thing. Save yourself trips from the market, prepare meals in advance. So I love how this was such a new thing. And here's some more of those beautiful color pictures. And here's a photo of how to keep your food in the fridge. It's just so cute. You can see those little tapered legs on it. And I just love how organized it is. I wish mine were this organized. And here's some more cute desserts. This is just really darling little book, and here are a few menus that I might want to try as well. So let me know down in the comments below what parts of this book you enjoyed, what you enjoyed about the ginger ale float, and if you'd try making it or the sherbet yourself, I would love to know. And thank you for joining me on the Cookbook Nerd. My name is Trista, and please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Like the video, I should say, and leave a comment down below, say hello, and I would love to welcome you into the community. You're welcome to post your own old cookbooks in the community tab. I would love to see those. And I wanted to let you know I appreciate you. And next will be Trista's Corner bonus section. And if you're not joining me for that, no worries. I will see you in the next recipe. Bye. And welcome to the Trista's Corner section. I thought in this section I'd talk about how it's going this week and ask you how it's going for you, as well as show you a little bit of my kind of English style garden. I've got some echinacea blooms here. There's a pretty white butterfly back there. Lots of pretty things. Huge bunch of rosemary back there. I am doing great this week, feeling really good, feeling creative, creating lots of videos. I would love to know how you are doing. Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if you love gardening. Alrighty, thank you so much. Thank you for your kindness, and I appreciate you. One more thing before we go is these goji berries. They're actually drying on the tree. I ended up with a lot of these this year, so I need to pick them and enjoy them. They're a yummy fruit when they're dried. So let me know if you've tried these before. All right, bye for now. See you on the next recipe.